called endosulfan. One of the pesticides called endosulfan is having a great effect on the health of humans and many other mammals. This endosulfan is actually used as a chemical pesticide on crops, but what it is doing, if we spray endosulfan onto crops, it travels long distances before it lands onto the crops. Thereby, it contaminates the soil, water and air. By inhaling that contaminated air and water and soil, we are exposed to endosulfan. This endosulfan, what it does is, if we inhale this endosulfan, we are prone to many diseases. The health effects of endosulfan are two types. One is by consuming more endosulfan and another is by consuming less endosulfan. If you are exposed to more amounts of it, we get many health affecting diseases like sometimes even death, dizziness, coma and heart failure, lung failure, etc. And if we are prone to less amounts of it, many health effects are caused while we are prone to less amounts also, like some renal malfunction, central nervous system effects, and mainly it affects the reproductive system in males and also causes many birth defects in children. If we see in Kerala, Kasaragod district, Padre village, there they used lots of amount of endosulfan to control pests present in cashew crops. But what it did is it caused many birth defects in children like that. They are the catastrophic shades of endosulfan. By seeing these health effects, Kerala government have known the health impacts of this endosulfan and banned this endosulfan. And by seeing Kerala, Karnataka too banned it. But remaining states in India didn't ban endosulfan. Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh are the largest users of endosulfan. Why I am saying about only endosulfan is, India is the largest user and producer of endosulfan, and also comparing to other chemical pesticides, endosulfan is causing much harm to human health. So ban this endosulfan and go for biopesticides or bioagents. If you see, bioagents are of three types: biochemical pesticides, plant incorporated protectants and microbial pesticides. Biochemical pesticides are nothing but by the usage of medicinal plants like neem. In neem, important ingredient is present, that is azadirachtin. This is a biopesticide which is also available in cheap. And coming to plant incorporated protectants are nothing but some hybrid plants. By using them also we can control the pest, and no need to and they doesn't cause any harm to our health. And the last but not least is microbial pesticides. Microbial pesticides are nothing but by the usage of some useful bacteria, virus and some fungi. Useful bacteria, that is BT. This is Bacillus thuringiensis. These are the colonies of Bacillus thuringiensis. Everyone thinks that BT is harmful to human health, but BT is not at all harmful to human health, because BT is harmful to those organisms whose hydrogen concentration is more than 7. But our human hydrogen concentration is only 5, so they don't cause any harm. Mainly this endosulfan is used to kill the insects, that is Helicobacter and Spodoptera. These two insects are present in almost all crops like paddy, maize, cotton, wheat, etc. To control them, this endosulfan is used. Instead of this, if we go for biopesticides, it will be useful for us. And not only biopesticides, but bioagents are also there. Because of usage of these chemical pesticides, these bioagents which are naturally occurred, they are also being killed. So ban this endosulfan and go for biopesticides or bioagents.
What is your ambition?
To become an IAS officer.
What is your
Engineer. Coming to the production, the World Health Organization estimated the worldwide annual production to be about 9,000 metric tons per year. India was the largest producer of endosulfan with 3 companies: Hindustan Insecticides Limited, Excel Cropcase, Coromandel Fertilizers, producing about 4,500 tons annually and another 4,000 tons for export. Most of the countries have banned endosulfan. Let us know what are the countries. Like Singapore, North America, all the countries, nearly 80 countries have banned endosulfan. Now we'll have a doubt. What is our position? India was the largest user and producer of endosulfan. But now India also strictly trying to ban the use and production of endosulfan. But main problem is on December 13th, the Supreme Court gave order that endosulfan can be exported to other countries, and even you have the Hindu also. Supreme Court gave order that printed in Hindu and Sanskrit. But the main problem is the politicians and farmers are opposing the ban of endosulfan.
What is the last sentence?
Ban endosulfan and go for biopesticides or bioagents.